Hello guys, welcome back to Fix It Danny. Are you facing an issue with a USB device where as soon as you plug it in, you get the error unknown USB device, device descriptor request failed? In this video, I'll show you a working fix for this problem on Windows. Before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Fix It Danny, and press the bell icon for more helpful Windows tips and troubleshooting guides. When you open Device Manager and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, you may notice that one of your devices is showing the error, Unknown USB Device. If you double-click on that device to check the details, you will usually see a message saying that Windows has stopped this device because it has reported problems, along with error code 43. In the device details, it may also say that a request for the USB device descriptor failed. If that is the exact issue you are facing, here is what you need to do. First, right-click on the affected device and select Properties. Now go to the Details tab. In the Property drop-down menu, select Device Instance Path. You will now see the path of the device. Right-click on that value and copy it. After that, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type regedit and hit Enter to open the registry editor. If the User Account Control prompt appears, click Yes. Now go to Local Machine, then open System. After that, open Current Control Set, then select enum. Now, in the Registry Editor address bar, type a backslash and paste the copied value. Then press Enter to go directly to that device's registry entry. Here, in the corresponding device entry, click on Device Parameters. On the right side, right-click on the empty area and select New. Then choose DWORD 32-bit value. Now name this key. Enhanced Power Management Enabled. Make sure you type it exactly the same. You do not need to change its value. Now close the registry editor. After that, unplug the USB device and restart your PC. Once your computer restarts, plug the USB device back in. Now you should see that Windows recognizes the device properly, and it should start working fine. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. And if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching Fix It Danny, and I'll see you in the next one.